Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the notifications. Now, we get a lot of feedback from clients about notifications on how to set it up, which notifications take priority, what they want to be notified about. And today's video is going to be dedicated to showing you guys exactly where you can go in the system to manage those notifications, right? So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started with the video. The first thing I want you to do is go to the top right hand corner, look for settings, click that button, and you will see your options here. We're going to look at personal settings and look for notifications. Now, this is your notification settings, guys. It's very simple and easy. If you see any of these drop downs, you see where 2 is selected. You can only have 2 at the same time. So if I remove other here, for example, now I can choose an admin, an owner, or a manager for a new order received from a third party or API. Or what I like better is going into the emails and SMS. I like to take a look at the SMS notifications. These are certain things you want to be texted on. We have the option of doing new order received, order signed, and invoice paid for. So maybe not the admin needs to have all of these notifications, but definitely the owner, right? You want to make sure that they get a notification saying, hey, this person has signed their order form. So we're going to do owner and manager. That way everybody's on the same page. So again, to find your notification settings and to set this up the proper way, the way you guys want it to be, click settings at the top right, click notification from personal settings, and then go through these, see which ones that you like, see the ones that you want to activate. If you want to deactivate any of these notifications, simply unselect it here. Just make sure you click the save button at the bottom. Guys, this has been another Sensei University video. My name is Chase. As always, we appreciate the support you guys have given us. And until next time, we'll see you then. Bye, guys.